Acupuncture, a branch of traditional Chinese medicine or TCM, is a practice 3,500 years older than traditional Western medicine. It works by applying needles, heat, and pressure to specific points on the body. Because of the relatively low cost and its non-invasive nature, acupuncture services have become a popular form of complementary healthcare in the United States. In this video, we're going to discuss acupuncture for pain, sleep, digestion, and well-being. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. The World Health Organization (WHO) has endorsed acupuncture treatment for over 40 conditions, including stress, digestive disorders, depression, allergies, sleeping disorders, addictions, headaches, and menstrual disorders. One well-researched effect of acupuncture is reducing inflammation throughout the body. Acupuncture stimulates chemicals that reduce swelling and quiet unwanted immune responses and allergic reactions. Gastrointestinal health can be vital for feelings of good health. If your digestion system isn't functioning properly, it may disrupt your emotions, hormone levels, sleep cycle, or physical ability due to discomfort. Gas, bloating, constipation, or bowel changes are signs that there's something wrong in your digestive system. Acupuncture is known to regulate digestive function. In fact, there's an entire school of thought in Chinese medicine that treats the digestive system for any illness based on the belief that when the gut functions properly, the entire system can maintain its balance. Traditional Chinese medicine is based on an ancient philosophy that describes the universe and the body in terms of two opposing forces, yin and yang. When these forces are in balance, the body is healthy. Energy, called qi, flows along specific pathways called meridians throughout the body. This constant flow of energy keeps the yin and yang forces balanced. However, if the flow of energy gets blocked, like water getting stuck behind a dam, the disruption can lead to pain, lack of function, or illness. If the flow of qi is disrupted, pain and illness occur. Once the smooth flow of qi returns, the pain disappears and health is restored. If you suffer from chronic pain, you know that it can negatively impact the quality of your daily life since the pain is consistent and long-lasting. Chronic pain occurs due to damaged nerves and nerve endings. Recent studies have shown that over 90% of patients who suffer from chronic pain have found that acupuncture was an effective treatment for treating their discomfort. Acupuncture near you has proven to be very effective at treating pain because the small needles used in the procedure create neural pathways that deactivate the pain centers within the brain. These treatments increase mobility overall, but can also be used after an injury or accident to get you back on your feet faster. Acupuncture specifically encourages cortisol flow to painful spots, helping to mobilize joints and allowing some movement while relaxing and releasing muscles. Acupuncturists will look at not only the site of your pain, but also surrounding areas that might be feeding the pain, such as tight feet or shoulders, throwing off the hips or spine. Acupuncturists use small diameter, sterile disposable needles that are very fine and flexible. The needles are gently inserted into specific points on the body to affect the vital energy passing through it. This helps to improve the body's functions and improve the natural self-healing process. After the insertion of an acupuncture needle, a patient may experience nothing, pressure on the skin, or a dull throbbing ache. Once all of the needles are in, patients usually begin to feel more relaxed and quite often forget that the needles are even there. Heat or electrical current may be applied to enhance the effect. Traditional Chinese medicine theorizes that there are more than 2,000 acupuncture points on the human body, connected with 12 main and 8 secondary pathways. Struggling to sleep at night is frustrating for many Americans. Acupuncture's ability to leave you more relaxed and less anxious may also encourage you to fall asleep more easily. If your insomnia is caused by chronic pain that keeps you awake or wakes you up through the night, acupuncture can be an effective treatment that ultimately allows you to find better quality sleep. Acupuncture has also been shown to help manage sleep apnea with targeted treatments strengthening the tongue. This treatment helps prevent the tongue from dropping back during the night and blocking your airway. When performed correctly, acupuncture can release tension and stress. Because of this, anxiety and stress can be significantly reduced with this therapy. Acupuncture is good for both body and the mind because it helps you to relax. Maintaining a stable emotional state can be difficult, And for those people who all too often feel unsettled, acupuncture can help balance and regulate emotions. It stimulates the part of your nervous system that promotes a calm state of being. It can help you feel settled, grounded, and positive. It also relaxes the brain and muscles, which reduces stress throughout the body. According to traditional Chinese medical theory, mental illness occurs when there's an imbalance within the body. Acupuncture and Oriental medicines were found to have the ability to detect energetic changes that occur in the body and relieve symptoms, thereby restoring equilibrium. Damaged tendons or sprains and strains can cause a lot of pain, impacting your ability to engage in your daily activities. However, acupuncture allows your muscles to heal faster and gets you back to your normal self much quicker. Sciatica is a terribly painful disorder caused by the compression of the sciatic nerve, a very long nerve that begins in the low back and branches down into each leg, continuing all the way to the feet. Those who experience it know sciatic pain is challenging to calm with over-the-counter medication. Acupuncture can be incredibly useful in treating sciatic pain. If you have a weak immune system, it'll take a toll on your overall health and well-being. It may cause you to feel constantly tired or make you constantly sick and prone to infection. Getting acupuncture in the right spots can significantly enhance your immune system responses. If you visit acupuncture centers for regular acupuncture sessions, you will see an increase in your white blood cell count. White blood cells fight bacteria, illness, and parasites. An allergic reaction occurs when our immune system responds to some allergen, such as pollen or pet dander. Acupuncture can calm that immune reaction and also help relieve symptoms like a runny nose and puffy eyes. Treating seasonal allergies early on in the seasons when you suffer most is an effective way to improve your quality of life during what would normally be a miserable time of year. A 2008 study in Germany found those with allergic rhinitis, runny nose, who received 15 acupuncture treatments had better symptom control than those who did not receive treatment. Nearly 8 out of 10 people will suffer from back pain at some point in life. Back pain is one of the top reasons people seek medical treatment. Current Western medical treatment includes pain meds, steroids, surgical intervention, and muscle relaxers. While these things may help for short periods, it's not a fix, and more often than not, they cause more harm than good. The good news is that current research suggests that acupuncture provides significant relief for back pain. Guidelines for American Pain Society and American College of Physicians say doctors should consider acupuncture as an alternative therapy for patients with chronic low back pain that's not responding to conventional treatment. Modern research has demonstrated acupuncture's effects on the nervous system, endocrine and immune systems, cardiovascular system, and digestive system, according to UC San Diego Center for Integrative Medicine. By stimulating the body's various systems, acupuncture can help to resolve pain and improve sleep, digestive function, and sense of well-being. Most people wonder what happens at their first session. First, your acupuncturist will ask you about your health history, then he or she will examine your tongue's shape, color, and coating, feel your pulse, and possibly perform some additional physical examinations depending on your individual health needs. Using these unique assessment tools, the acupuncturist will be able to recommend a proper treatment plan to address your particular condition. To begin the acupuncture treatment, you lay comfortably on a treatment table while precise acupoints are stimulated on various areas of your body. The frequency and number of treatments differ from person to person. Some people experience dramatic relief in the first treatment. For complex or long-standing chronic conditions, 1 to 2 treatments per week for several months may be recommended. For acute problems, usually fewer visits are required, usually 8 to 10 visits in total. As the growing body of research continues to prove acupuncture effective at treating a wide variety of ailments, more Western doctors have begun to embrace it. Just 40 years ago, acupuncture was considered as best a superstition, says author James Gordon, MD. Now it's increasingly being accepted as part of mainstream medicine. Quebec, Alberta, and British Columbia all regulate acupuncture under the Health Professions Act, the same act that regulates nurses, doctors, and physiotherapists. So when choosing a TCM practitioner, verify that he or she is registered and licensed. In other provinces, check with friends, family, and your current healthcare providers for people whom they trust. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please click on the next video to watch more health info. Thank you very much.